Do you want a luxurious ride? Check out the BMW X1. The BMW X1 is the perfect vehicle for those who are looking to make a statement. The combination of luxury and performance is unparalleled in the automotive world, and the X1 is no exception. From its sleek exterior to its spacious and comfortable interior, this vehicle is the ultimate in luxury and comfort. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the BMW X1, exploring its top features, performance capabilities, and why it's the perfect vehicle for those who want to make a statement on the road. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of BMW X1. The X1's impeccable style is one of the first things that sets it apart from the competition. The vehicle's design is modern and elegant, with a sporty feel that is sure to turn heads around. The front grille features BMW's signature kidney shape, which is instantly recognized and gives the X1 a distinctive and sophisticated look. The X1 is also available in a range of attractive colors and finishes, so you can customize the look of your ride to suit your personal style. When it comes to performance, the BMW X1 is truly in a league of its own. The vehicle is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers plenty of power and torque, making it a joy to drive on the open road. The standard 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, and the vehicle's suspension and handling are both top-notch. The X1 also has a fantastic fuel economy, with an EPA estimated 24 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway, which gives it an excellent choice for daily commuters. The vehicle's sleek and modern look is characterized by its sharp lines, low profile, and sporty feel. The front grille features BMW's signature kidney shape, which is both distinctive and elegant, and the overall design is sure to turn heads on the road. The X1 is also available in a range of attractive colors and finishes, so you can customize the look of your ride to suit your personal style. Inside the BMW X1 is just as impressive. The interior is spacious and well appointed, with high-quality materials and attention to detail that reflect the BMW's brand's commitment to luxury. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of room for both passengers and cargo. The cabin is also very quiet, which helps to create a peaceful and relaxing driving experience. Apart from its luxurious designs and advanced safety features, the BMW X1 is also a performance-driven SUV that offers an exhilarating driving experience. The X1 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that generates up to 228 horsepower and 258 pound-per-feet of torque. This engine delivers plenty of power and acceleration, allowing the vehicle to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds. The X1's engine is paired with a standard 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth and precise shifts, making for an effortless driving experience. The X1's performance is not just limited to its engine and transmission, however. The vehicle's suspension and handling are top-notch, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough roads. The X1 features a sport-tuned suspension that offers impressive handling and stability, giving the vehicle a firm grip on the road. Additionally, the X1's precise and responsive steering provides a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave you impressed. Despite its impressive performance, the BMW X1 also offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for daily commuters. The X1 has an EPA estimated fuel economy rating of 24 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway, which is impressive for an SUV of its size and power. The vehicle also features an automatic stop-start system that helps to conserve fuel by shutting off the engine when the vehicle is stopped. Of course, as a BMW, the X1 also comes with a host of advanced features and technologies designed to make your driving experience as comfortable and convenient as possible. The vehicle comes standard with an infotainment system that includes a 6.5-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay compatibility, and premium sound systems. Other available features include a panoramic sunroof, automatic climate control, and a range of advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. Safety is a top priority for most car buyers, and the BMW X1 delivers in spades. The vehicle is loaded with features designed to keep you and your passengers safe and protected in the event of an accident. The X1 has received high safety ratings from both the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety, IIHS, which is a testament to the vehicle's excellent safety record. One of the key safety features of the BMW X1 is its adaptive cruise control. This feature automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you, making it easier to maintain a safe speed on the highway. The X1 also features a rear view camera, which provides a clear view of what's behind you when you're backing up. This can be especially helpful in a crowded parking lot or when reversing out of a driveway. The BMW X1 also features automatic high beams, which adjust the brightness of your headlights based on the lighting conditions around you. This can be incredibly helpful when driving at night, as it can help you see better without blinding other drivers on the road. Additionally, the X1 has parking sensors that help you navigate tight parking spaces by alerting you when you get too close to an obstacle. Other available safety features on the BMW X1 include the lane departure warning, which alerts you if you start to drift out of your lane, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, which can help prevent accidents by automatically applying the brakes if a potential collision is detected. The X1 also has a range of airbags and other safety features, including a reinforced safety cage that is designed to absorb impact energy in the event of a crash. One of the most impressive things about the BMW X1 is its versatility. This compact luxury SUV is equally at home in the city or on the open road, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a vehicle that can handle a range of different driving conditions. The X1 is also available with all-wheel drive, which provides extra traction and stability in slippery or challenging conditions. All in all, the BMW X1 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a luxurious ride that's both stylish and practical. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out on a weekend road trip, this compact luxury SUV has everything you need to make the most of your time on the road. So why not check out the BMW X1 for yourself and see what the fuss is all about? The BMW X1 is the ultimate statement vehicle, combining luxury and performance in a sleek and comfortable package. With advanced safety features, impressive performance capabilities, and excellent fuel efficiency, the X1 truly has it all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. And don't forget to share your video with your friends who might be interested in the BMW X1. Thanks for watching.